Hi, Claire Brady here, a tutor at Setanta College, and welcome to this evening's webinar. Tonight we hope to give you all the information on who we are and tell you about our new diploma in personal training. Shortly I'll hand you over to Thomas and Ben, who will go through the finer details, and you'll be able to ask questions at the end. Another important part of this evening is to introduce to you what blended learning is. So today I'm here in Thurles with the team, finishing off the final recordings. Later we will show you a clip of what the lecture format looks like and what to expect from the practical workshops, which will take place here in the Sports Lab in Thurles, with another location in Dublin soon to be announced, which we are very excited about. For now, let me show you the gym. Hi, Claire here again. You are very welcome back to the module Functional Screening. In this series of presentations, we will begin our discussion on the overhead squat. Essentially, we are seeking to establish the subject's preferred way of moving or his or her movement pattern in all screens and tests. Clearly, there will be a marked difference in how any two individuals move, even if they score or complete a similar movement screen. This allows us to establish the preference the client uses when completing such movement patterns. We must, however, appreciate that when a similar pattern is completed with greater speed or with an additional load, as in an overhead squat with a barbell overhead, then the movement pattern used will likely change. Thus, the screen is seen as the completion of a slow pattern of the movement without external load that seeks to identify the preferred pattern of movement completed in a controlled manner by the individual. Okay, great. So studying is hard and listening to lectures is one thing, but to truly understand the exercise prescription, our weekend workshops are a great way for you to meet your fellow classmates and to learn from our internationally recognised tutors. Okay, so as Thomas had said, we place a big emphasis on how to functionally screen our clients or our players, and that should always be the foundation for your future sessions. After that, the possibilities are endless for you to coach, train, and develop your clients, players, and athletes. For now, I'm going to take Rob through the overhead squat, which we covered in the lecture which we've just shown you. So, Rob, okay, I'm going to have you stand with your feet shoulder width apart, okay? From there, I'm going to have to place the dowel on top of your head, and I'm going to move your arms so that your elbows are at 90-degree angles, okay? From then, I'm going to get you to press the bar straight overhead and lock out your elbows. Okay, from there, you're just going to squat down as deeply as you can. Okay. Okay, feet shoulder width apart, making sure your feet are straight forward. So you can use the lines along here, yeah, just to make sure that they're straight ahead. Okay, dowel up on top of your head. Okay, I'm going to move your hands slightly out so that we're at 90-degree angles. Okay, right, lock out your arms up overhead. Okay, and keeping those arms locked out. I now want you to squat down as deep as you can and come back to the starting position. Okay, and back up. So the reason I'm carrying out the overhead squat test on Rob here is to identify any limitations and dysfunctions that he may have. There are many more screens that we will cover in the course. You then, as a trainer, will be able to administer these tests to any of your clients.